I go to blankets first, you know? It sounds like you need a blanket. That might be the solution. The problem with that one is just try not to fall asleep. Only like 11 Celsius. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it sounds like you definitely need to grab a blanket. It is blanket season at that temperature with no heat. Oh my gosh, I've seen those. I saw a video of somebody crocheting one of those. They look so cool. Okay, so next up, I'm gonna do like a bit of this in there. I probably should have started with just this kind of infill color. Where are these animals getting their waffles? The deer has a waffle maker. And brought them for the shark to try. And ever since, the shark has just wanted waffles for breakfast every day. So they meet up when they can. Yeah, that would be an issue. That's why the deer always makes them for them. I'm sure the shark has tried to bring up many ocean delicacies to their little breakfast dates. But I think the deer just it wasn't the deer's style, you know? The new blow dryer, yeah. And don't even get the shark started on toasters. Maybe some seaweed. I don't know. I guess, yeah, deers really like salt, so I could see them liking seaweed. Isn't that a thing that there's like a salt lick thing? Where do they get salt without humans putting out salt licks, though? That's the real question. Shark brings sushi. Lovingly prepared. I feel like that would be an act of, you know, like of true service because the shark is happy to just eat the fish just as is, and that's actually her preference. but she knew that the deer would kind of be grossed out by that, so like got some rice and made little tiny sushi